Later. I'll get back to you on that. Bakit pagod na?
Nainitan na seniors. Init na seniors.
Init na. Pawisan na, daddy.
Ano yung ano mo? Nagla mo yung...
No es budismo, ¿no? Budismo prácticamente neto como hindu.
Kasi ikaw na.
1, 2, 3.
Yo.
Ay, yung... Walang bouncy. Di bouncy.
Arte mo.
Please remain seated and watch your head. All right, here we go. The proper cloud bridge. All right, please watch your head, guys. Ahead. Yes. All right, this one is the lowest. So please remain seated and watch your head, okay?
Isa pa?
Ganda oh.
Picture.
Picture tayo dali. Oo, ganda pala. Tama yung timing natin. Ganda.
Safety first.
Subdivision.
Sabi mo ano, mami.
Gawin natin itong...
Parang magulit ang gawing subdivision, ha?
As you can see over here, so all of them just carbon efficiently using paper and chisel and hammer. So instead of the nails, everyone, okay, this is what we use as a nails. We use the wooden pin and the wooden wedge. So inside and outside of the museum, we have overall 170 pieces of column or pillars supporting it. So this is how it should look the pinon and the mortise. This one, so they put it above to hold the weight so that it won't be moved. But this is the only mechanic used inside to have an eating. Okay, so around here, so on the top of the room, you can see the four faces. That is the sculpture of Brahma.
Dapat yung... 1, 2. Talon.
Eh, mag-jump shot pala.
Ang funny kasi, dalawa, yung pagpipicture at yung pipicturean, pareha susunod sa kanya.
Ito na.
Mamaya tayo may picture. Alam, pumasok na mo tayo sa loob. Ganda mo kayo. Sige, tara eh. May time na eh. Hindi naman mainit. Pwede ka na dito sa babang susunod.
Ay, may tulo.
Ano?
Wala, sige.
Mainit daw pong ulo niya.
May ang ulo.
15? 25 ba? Ay, ba't ito na pauna sa mami? Naku.
For your friends.
May hilo.
Emotion sickness na rin ba?
Parang nagalong yung utak ko.